Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Yadrissa and thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how I got these Kaws Halloween nails. This is my Halloween series here on my channel, so if you want to see how I created this Halloween Kaws nail set, then keep on watching. I'm going to show you guys step by step all the products used and how I create the different looks for this set. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm starting off with my 2XL nail tips, and I did want to use the extra long nail tips for this video because I did want to do a lot of nail art on this video for this nail set, so that's why I went in with the extra long nails. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going in with my D&D gel polish, and this is a nude shade that I'm going to be using. It's on the brighter side as far as the nude shade, but it went perfect with this set. I wanted to go a little bit deeper with that nude shade, but I didn't have it at the time. So I'm just going to be going in with this nude shade for the base. And this is not going to be the base color for all of my nails. This is going to be the base color for some of my nails because all of the nails are not going to be the same. As you can see as a thumbnail, some are different backgrounds. So this is the gel polish that I'm going to be using in today's video, and this is the shade that I'm going to be using. This shade is a orange shade. I didn't want the orange to be too bright or a little bit too deep and dark, so this was an in-between shade that I think that went perfect for this set of nails that I'm going to be doing here today. And I'm just going to be painting that nail, and afterwards I'm going to be putting the nail into my UV lamp to cure for that 60 seconds. I'm working on my next nail now, and I'm going back to that first gel polish, that D&D gel polish, that nude shade, and I'm just going to be painting this nail, which is going to have that nude background as well. And I'm going back in with that orange shade gel polish. And for this nail is going to be my French tip nail. So what I am doing is I'm just painting up for the part where I want my French tip to be. And as you can see, I'm not doing it neat in any type of way as of yet, but I am going to clean it up after. But this is just how I do my French tip nails. It works out for me very well, and it saves a lot of time, and this method for me is easier when I create my French tips. So if you keep on watching, you can see exactly how I did it. I know it looks crazy now, but trust the process. This is one of those where you trust the process when it comes to this French tip nail. So watch how easy it is going to be for me to create my French tip. So I'm going to be taking this nail brush that I did get I'm not even sure where I purchased this brush from, but I like this brush because it has a rounded tip and it allows me to create that perfect French tip with this nail brush that I'm using today to take off the excess nail polish and create the shape that I want with this brush. As you can see, I'm taking my time. This is in real time. This clip is not sped up because I did want you to see how long it takes me to create this French tip in you know, a short amount of time, and it comes out really good. So I found this method and I really love this method, and I'm just going to continue using it because it works pretty well for me. I tried to do my French tips other ways that I have seen other people do it, but it was just a little bit challenging for me, so I found this method and it works perfect. So I did go ahead and put that nail, that French tip nail, into my UV lamp, and I'm going to let it cure for that 60 seconds and continue on with that nail later. So now for this nail, I'm going to be drawing my Kaws character on my nails, and I'm going in with that same orange shade that I was using to paint the base on my nails. I'm using that same orange shade. I just put some a little bit on my palette, and I'm using my liner brush to draw on my characters onto my nails, and I am taking my time so that I can draw it to the best of my ability. I like to have a photo in front of me that's just me, like a reference photo of the actual character or whatever it is I'm trying to draw so I can look up back and forth to just draw to the best of my ability. So that's what I'm just doing here. And this is a medium liner brush. I really love working with this brush because it makes it easier for me to create my nail art. I've seen some people use longer brushes or even shorter brushes to create certain nail art on their nails, but this just works very well for me. So I'm just using this one because this is the brush that is like a happy medium for me. So I'm just outlining my I outline my Kaws first, and I'm going to be filling in the remainder with that gel polish. So that's what I'm doing here. So as I said in the beginning of my video, welcome to my Halloween series where I create certain Halloween nail looks here on my channel. I've said it so many times, but I am so excited for Halloween. And I have some other videos here on my channel that I have created some Halloween nail sets already. I have a couple of nail videos dedicated to Halloween. I know I've started pretty early, but I'm glad that I started early because I have so many looks that I'm trying to create here on my channel and show you guys step by step how to create these looks and how easy and simple they can be to create if you just take your time. So yes, let's just continue on with this video. As you can see, I'm going to be drawing another Kaws on top of that one that I drew at the bottom. So that is what I'm doing here, and filling it in, excuse me, with that brush directly from the nail polish bottle. Because sometimes, you know, when you're trying to fill it in with the liner brush, as far as your you know, it takes a little bit longer because the brush is so small, you know. But yeah, so if you guys have any ideas of Halloween nail sets that you want me to create, excuse me, leave it down in the comment section below and I will make a dedicated video to you guys. I am going to be doing a giveaway. I would like to do a giveaway for one of my custom press-on nail sets here on my channel. So let me know what you guys think of that idea as well. I'm going to be uploading weekly for the month of October and trying to upload more than one time a week. So that is my goal, and I'm trying to stick with that. As far as me uploading, I do not have a certain time or day that I upload my videos, but I think it will be good to create a time and day. Even though I don't have that many followers here on my channel, I do have a couple of people that are consistent with coming back to view my videos. So for those you know, certain supporters, I think that having a schedule will work a lot easier and a lot easier to remember as well. But you can also turn on your bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload my videos here on my YouTube channel. So you'll be the first to know, you know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done that already. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. You are appreciated and loved. And I hope that you are enjoying my Halloween content here on my channel. And I wanted to do something a lot different here on my channel, so I decided to do this inspired Kaws set. And just make it a Halloween themed look because, you know, we are in Halloween spooky season. Yeah, so I wanted to know if anybody is going to be dressing up for Halloween or doing any face paint or going to any Halloween parties or have any Halloween activities that you're going to be doing with your kids or just out just for fun with your friends. I would like to do a little bit of everything, maybe not everything, but I'm not sure if I'm going to dress up for Halloween, but I am going to be doing certain Halloween looks. And I do have another channel here on YouTube. It's called Yadrissa, Yaadrissa. That is my name, Yadrissa. And on that channel here on YouTube, I create makeup looks. I do special effects makeup as well. I do wig installs and styles. And yeah, just different hairstyles. So that channel is dedicated to hair and makeup basically, and special effects makeup as well. So if you go on over there and check out that channel as well, I hope you like the content that you see over there and become a subscriber of mine. And yeah, just join the family over there as well. And if you wanted a face to the name here for Pretty Press Unplugged, this is just my dedicated channel just for my nails alone. This is a little passion that I have, as well as my love for makeup here. It's also nails, so I just wanted to separate this content from that one, and that's why I made this separate dedicated page just for my nails alone. I didn't want it to be too cluttered and too much going on with that other page, so I just kept it dedicated to hair and makeup. And this one, just nails. I've said before I would like to incorporate some pedicures and some full sets. I have yet to record them, and my bad, because when I'm doing a client, sometimes I don't just turn on my camera, and I've said this before, to record. I've said this so many times, and then I regret it after, because that I did draw that cause flower down there at the bottom of the snail with my white gel polish from Beauty as well. And then I just outlined it with the black gel polish as well. Topped it in my UV lamp. So now I'm going to be working on this nail. This nail is going to be my 3D crocodile nail. So I'm going in with that same shade. And before I'm going in to create this crocodile nail with my dotting tool, I did put a matte top coat from Beatles, I believe, my matte top coat. Put it in my lamp, and then let that cure, and then go in with this dotting tool to create this crocodile effect. This is my little secret clear acrylic. I'm going on top of that, and I'm going to be curing that lamp for 60 seconds and dust off the excess acrylic. So now for this nail, I'm going to be, excuse me, I forgot I already finished this nail, but I was talking a little bit too much before, and I got a little bit distracted, so I thought I said this part already when the video was playing. I was talking about my other channel. But I'm going with my Beauty Black Gel Polish, and I'm using the same line brush. So even though I'm using the same brush, I like to clean my brush off in between every nail set, every nail if I am using a different gel polish. So I'm now just creating that Kaws flower on this nail. I took that 3D nail out of my lamp, the one I just put in, and I'm just brushing off the excess powder from that nail after I'm done with that. So with this nail, that pinky nail with the Kaws, I just finished that nail, but being that I had some white on the extension nail, I was trying to incorporate some white within my other nails to just make that white stand out a lot more, and so it could blend a little bit more and look like that color belongs after the set. So I didn't want to just have white on the French nail alone, so that's why I did that. So now for this thumbnail, I'm going to be creating that smiley face with the crosses over the eyes and then the smiley face. So I'm going in with that black Beauty gel polish, and I'm using my medium gel liner brush, and I'm going to be applying that to my nail, taking my time and enjoying the pattern and design on my nail. And just going with a little price, because I want the face nail to be a little bit darker and thicker, so that's why I just did. And now I'm going to be going back into my gel polish and creating that smile line. And I felt that when I was looking at this nail after I had just a smiley face here, I felt like it looked a little bit too plain. So I did, I wanted to go ahead and create a personalized nail. So in order for me to create that cartoon effect, what I'm doing is I'm taking the black gel polish, same gel polish as used, and I'm going to outline my nail with that black gel polish all around the perimeter of this nail. And make sure you have a steady hand and move at the pace and take your time. It's not a race. I try to get my lines as straight as possible as I can, so that's why I like to take my time. This clip is not set up in any type of way, and I'm just showing you guys in real time how long it takes me to create each of these nails. So I did want to do a thick perimeter line, but not too thick where it was overtaking the nail and overpowering the look of the cartoon effect. So now I'm taking that same black gel polish and I'm just creating random black lines around my nail. As you can see, I did go ahead and rinse that brush off. This is the same liner brush that I was using before. So, but now I'm going in with my Beauty gel polish, but this is in the color white. And I'm just creating random lines around this nail to create that cartoon effect. That's the look that I was going for this nail. And that's what I'm trying to achieve by creating different lines and dots around this finger. And I felt like the black smiley face was a little bit too plain for me, so I did go on with the very, very thin line just to incorporate that white gel polish within that smile. So this is my Kaws that I'm going to be using today. It isn't the orange one that I'm going to be using. I'm just using my drill to decapitate the head off of this Kaws. I am sorry, Kaws. I love you, but I wanted to do the Kaws with the head ripped off. Just reminds me of Halloween, just bloody and just scary, kind of scary but not so much. But just the theme of the Halloween, just to get into the Halloween spirit, and I just wanted to add a little gore effect and just a little blood effect to my nails basically. So that was pretty easy for me to separate just like that. So now I'm going to go in with my McCart rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to be applying some of that to my nail that I'm going to be putting my Kaws on, and I'm just going to be placing it where I want it. I did want to place it at a slanted angle because I didn't want it to be on top of each other as if it was still in one piece. I wanted to have that separation in between so you can see that it's separated. So that's why I wanted to do both of them at a slight slant. Far enough where you can see that this is the design that I was trying to create, and I did put that in my UV lamp for 60 seconds to dry, and this is what, after I took it out my lamp, I'm going in with that Beauty gel polish. This is my red gel polish for Beauty, and I'm going to be putting some of that on the neck of the Kaws just to give it that effect as if this was cut off, decapitated, ripped off, however you want to say it. I just wanted to give it that scary Halloween effect for spooky season. So this is my idea to give it that effect. So I've seen an expired set as far as Kaws and Halloween, and I just wanted to do my version of Kaws Halloween set. This set is not inspired by anyone, but this is a freestyle set that I am doing here on my channel. I'm just letting you guys know how I did it exactly and what I used.